Cloud9 continue to build momentum as the split goes on.
Chris is coming in from the top. His Gnar is just wearing out, but they're able to take down Lemon. That's first blood now, 12.5 minutes in.
Icing Dawn, Cloud9 takes down Coast.
And they gotta be able to take down Apollo. Maple Street right to the back of the pit. 2 kills coming in for Cali Trolls. Team A pull the trigger, and they take down Impulse.
Playing them very nicely. Quas gets Gravity where he wants him, but isn't ready for the Slicing Maelstrom. That's going to be 2 wiped out. Slicing Maelstrom flash forward. Cop gets caught. That's going to be keen as well. The barrier's on, but it's only going to last so long, and it's going to be Liquid taking down Gravity. Week 6.
Flash knockup onto Core JJ as well. The binding misses. The flash from Wild Turtle is not enough. They're going to find a whole lot with Asandra and Maokai. 1 casualty so far. Make that 2. TSM in control the entire time. Hey, keep going back. Hey, we go in.
I got her. Go back in.
Walk forward.
Jenna.
Good job. Oh no, Link died! There's a 1-for-0. Now can Winterfox capitalize? Avalon already goes down. In fact, it's a 2-for-0 as Altec also dies. A 28-minute crushing of Winterfox.